Hey, thanks for joining my channel today. A number of things I need to get done here today. First thing I'm going to do is I broke my axe handle. I'm going to replace that. Here's the head, my double-bitted axe. Chopping wood and broke the handle. Happens. So let's get this thing replaced and come along with me here. I just happen to have a new handle right here. Got some wedges in there, both metal and wood wedge. American hickory, can't beat that. First thing we need to do, let's get this old head out of here, the wood there. Let's get that out. I think the best way to do that is to just drill it out.
If you find yourself...
You're on video. What? There we go. Didn't want to come out of there easy, but I got it. Oops, got a little cleanup there on the edges to do. Eye size, this is your eye here. Eye size is 2 11/16 by 1/2. Let's see if I got the right one before we get too much further. So yeah, it ought to fit in there. It ought to be the one. All right, then I'll get the wedges in the top, right in here, and tighten that up even more. It's about how I like to have them on there. Give it a couple more bumps with the hammer. I'm just going to take this over to the bandsaw and trim these off and clean up the neck here. There we go. Got me some new hickory in my axe, double-bitted axe. I think I'll sharpen it a little bit, shine it up, and we're good to go, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. And come along with me on the next adventure. Later.